Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on microphone access and choosing a voice-capable keyboard. Once done, open the app where you want to type. Tap the keyboard, then the mic icon to begin dictation. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. The system converts speech to text in real time. Make sure background noise is low so recognition stays accurate. If prompted, grant any one-time permissions so the keyboard can record speech. Now focus on detailed dictation. Use short commands for punctuation and layout. For example, say comma or question mark to place symbols and say new line for a line break. Pause briefly between sentences so the engine catches context. If your keyboard supports language selection or offline models, switch to the best match to improve accuracy. You can also speak edits. Say delete that or undo to remove recent words. Finish by reviewing the transcription carefully. You'll catch homophones and proper nouns that need correction. Make edits with touch typing or use voice commands to replace words. Once corrected, save or send the text as you normally would. If recognition drifts, stop dictation, toggle the microphone permission, or restart the keyboard app. This refresh often fixes permission or memory-related glitches. If problems persist, switch to a different keyboard or update the app to restore accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.